So I'm gonna go over this JOYTUTUS truck bed tent. So I've got an F-150 pickup here. Now you can get this in a wide variety of colors and truck bed sizes. I have kind of the larger style bed, so make sure you pick out the right one. Just go pick out whichever one fits your truck bed, but it seemed to work perfect on this, everybody. Check out how nicely that all turned out. Now I'm not gonna go over the installation of this thing. Check out their installation video. All of it's right here, and I highly recommend doing that. It seems a little complicated at first when you first get this thing and start putting it all together, but let me tell you, it's pretty simple. Now you can see kind of like some instructions right here. This is sewn into it. It all came in this little bag. Is that not neat? Look at the size of this bag and look at the size of this thing. Now this is the Rainfly. I did not put the Rainfly on there, but I did pull it out just to kind of like show y'all what it looked like. All it does is throw over the top of it and hooks the exact same way. Now what you're gonna do is put it down, make sure it slides down on there, and these just hook down right here. All of it went together very easy. Pull it down tight, goes over the side right there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what this thing looks like. Check it out from the other side. Right along there, a couple of windows in the front, back. And then under here, I just hooked to my trailer hitch. So hook onto your trailer hitch and pull it down. Now let me show you what's going on inside. A little Velcro around right there. This is all waterproof, by the way. So all of this is waterproof by itself. You can put the Rainfly on there. Check it out. Look at this. This is like a little house now. I have steps right here, and let's just walk in here. I've got a chair set up, my bed. Now there's the fender wells, by the way. So there's the fender wells right there. Has a pocket, has an open window. You can open this window up. You can either, and all it does is tuck down like that. And then there's a open window right here, a little zipper, and then see how that little kind of flap holds open. You can zip all this up to make it 100% bug proof. I can sit right here. There's a fan mount up there. So you see, there's my fan that I have in here. That's also a light. And there's a little kind of bug screen right here, and I have that window down. It's very well ventilated in here. Let me show you what it looks like with me laying down. My truck bed's a longer bed, almost a 7-foot bed, so I can really lay down in here, everybody, full on. It seems so spacious in here. I really like this. Technically, you're in the bed of your truck. You're not actually setting a tent up, which is awesome if you think about it, especially when you're traveling. You can kind of chill out back here. So the setup time took me around about maybe 15 minutes to set it up and to take it down. I'm sure it's going to be exact opposite of that, probably about another 15 minutes, maybe a little longer to fold it up. Overall, everybody, I am very impressed with this. I really like how spacious it is. It easily holds 2 people, but mostly I travel by myself and I do these long trips. When stuff's in the bed of my truck, I just set it out of the bed of my truck, throw the tent up, and then sleep in it, then put the stuff back in the bed, and we are good to go. And then I can bounce out from wherever I'm at, or I can put it in the cab of the truck, and that way I keep the bed free. So the Rainfly will give it a little more waterproofing properties, but honestly, I don't think you really need it, but you can use it. That way, if there's a little moisture in the air, you don't get that condensation on the inside. I can tell y'all from doing a tent, I know that when you put another layer, you basically layer up the inside. So I recommend running it if you're gonna be in a very moist environment, but honestly, where I'm going and what I'm doing, I camp mostly in the spring and summer. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is going to be a great addition to pretty much my travels and overnight stays in a wide variety of areas. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the JOYTUTUS, truck bed camper. See y'all in the next video.